This is a pop or drop moment. This is closing in on you, right? The walls are closing in. You're going to fight to get out of there, right? You're either going to go up or down here. You guys all see this SPY right here? Look at the 9 and the 21. My 9 is the white line. My 21 is the purple line. Do you see how it has respected it? And even when it broke through the 9, you see how it still was respecting the 21? So if all of you got in when you should have, because everybody in this room was trained, if it drops below VWAP and it was bad news, every single freaking person in this room has been trained since the day I've been in here. I teach you every day this 9 and 21 rule, right? If you're too worried about micro movements, flip to the 5-minute. Look at this chart. Does this tell you to get out?
No.
Never did.
Look at the 9. Did it ever even break through that on the 5-minute?
No.
Why are you guys getting out? Let it go forever. And a lot of you been trained. Notice Palm and Eric and my moderators. Notice my moderators rode it the whole way. SPY double bottom. And what did it bounce to?
To the
The
9.
9.
Yep. Also look at exactly where the 9 is. Do you see anything else that we need to pay attention to?
200.
So isn't that 2 indicators at the exact same point on a level of resistance? So it's an even stronger level, right? The more you have, the more resistance. Anyway, here's your double bottom. There's your bounce. Here's your resistance. Pulled back again. Back down. Retest support. That's the second retest on support. Fighting the 9 again. You see it fighting the 9 again. This is your battle. Over and 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 over. We can trade this. Now, I want you guys to pay attention. The longer this comes down here, the more that this 9 is tightening in. And isn't this a pop range? Isn't this going to pop or drop soon? Because think about it. It's just like when we're drawing one of our trend lines. It's doing the same thing. The more this is failing, this 9 is coming down. Now, this doesn't mean it's necessarily a drop, and I need you to understand that. That means in here, we're starting to tighten up. That means at any point.
1 minute. Shift change.
Oh, and you got shift change. This is a pop or drop moment. This is closing in on you, right? The walls are closing in. You're going to fight to get out of there, right? You're either going to go up or down here. This is what you need to be paying attention to. All of these little micro movements. This is only for my master scalpers in the room, okay? But you can see it. Look at the 9. It's closing in. We've also got our major level down here, which is our double bottom. So if you look at it, this is our little double bottom right in here. This whole little area, see it? There she goes. Look at it getting volume. You got 5 seconds. And look at the volume coming in now. 2 seconds, 1 second, go, boom, shift change, volume coming in. Now look at it. Now we're above the 9, but now we're cautious. Why? It's 10 o'clock. We're going to start to see a lot of like, woo, 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 right? Pop, drop, right? A lot of weird stuff going to happen here. What did that just move to and then stopped? Up.
The 21.
21 right there. What is my break? The 21, right? Buck stops there. So again, master scalpers, if we're looking at this, if this breaks above the 21, what would be a good trading strategy?
Oh.
That's right. Up to what?
VWAP.
That's right. Why? Why would I be thinking of to VWAP?
You know,
Because
the
that's the next
resistance.
level of resistance, right?
Yep.
Now, if this breaks and holds below this double bottom, what would be a great trading strategy?
It's
Why?
Because that
because
will
it's under the support.
That's right. There's no more support. Make sense, everybody in the room? I know some of you for the first time, oh, that's amazing. I never heard that before. I've been saying it for years.
That's what we do in here is we continue to train.